Hey fellow collectors, today we'll be taking a look at Masters of the Universe, Masterverse Revelation Clamp Champ. And as we can see here, we have Clamp Champ, and he has two hands. Turn on the side, we have his artwork. On the back we have more artwork, and we have some wording. There we go. And we see he comes with three other release mates in this line. Here we have Clamp Champ, and he is a heroic master of capture. Okay, so let's get this guy out of the box and see how cool he is. So we have him out of the box now, and let's see, he does come with two fists. Let's get them here. All right. And it could be classified as an accessory, and you can maneuver it to get him out of it. It's basically put in the package with him on his hand. You can just pop the sides off here in order to get his hand out. And here we go. All right. So basically his hand just goes through here just like so, and you attach it back. But let's put it to the side right now and look at his articulation as his head goes up and down, left and right. We have T-posing, rotation all the way around, bicep, and we do have a double bend. However, his muscles are so thick here, his muscles, that you can't really bend and get much out of it. His wrist does rotate all the way around. And as far as articulation goes, he does have this chest piece here, which does block it, but he does have a nice waist swivel. Nice split Van Damme style. If you look here, he does have a upper thigh bend and a double bend in the knee. And his boot does rotate around. And his ankle is on a ball joint. So you'll get some good maneuver posability in his legs. And as far as details for the figure goes, we have a nice head sculpt here. I'll turn on some lights so we can get just a little bit more detail. Here we see the chest piece. And the chest piece could be removed simply by pulling these pegs out and pulling them out on the side. Nice loincloth. Advanced technology loincloths are the option. And we have this belt. And we have some more fur and boots here. Sometimes these fashion senses, yeah, I guess it's the sorcery parts that make up the decision for form versus function. Alright, so just like I said before, to put the thing on, you just basically take the whole, make sure that its fists are in there, and you just clamp it together. Haha, Clamp Champ. And you'll see it doesn't really provide all that much security on his hand. It is loose, so just be aware. Now the claw function does work, but like I say, this will make him front heavy, so you'll have to pose him in a way that will offset that. Now as far as Clamp Champ comes, we can see that he is coming right in at the 7 1/4 inch line. So that means he will fit in nicely with Superman. McFarlane, and he will be taller than Marvel and G.I. Joe Classifieds. So, final thoughts on this guy. Yeah, it's nice to have a new updated version of Clamp Champ. He didn't get a lot of screen time because he wasn't part of the main storyline, but that's the way it goes sometimes. Him and Fisto were pretty much written off right at the beginning. So, but it's always cool. They updated it and fixed them in the end. Till next time, guys, like, subscribe, and keep collecting.